Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, commonly known as IIT Kharagpur, is one of the prestigious academic institutions of our nation. The institute has been able to rank itself at the national and international level for its brilliant academic caliber. The NIRF has given IIT Kharagpur the 7th rank in the overall category. Along with that, the institute stands at the 6th and 9th position in the engineering and law segment. IIT Kharagpur also comes under the top 5 public colleges in India category as per the India Today 2024. IIT Kharagpur has also been ranked at the global level. The QS World University Rankings 2024 has given the institute 271st rank after top 5 universities in India. In engineering and technology category, the institute has successfully achieved the 82nd rank by the QS World University Rankings 2023. A wide variety of disciplines, 19 departments, 13 schools and 9 centers of excellence are offered, which are also amalgamated, thus making available a plethora of multidisciplinary courses. IIT Kharagpur offers UG, PG, and doctoral level courses in the field of engineering, science and management. Its flagship course is B.Tech, which is offered across different specializations. Other than B.Tech, it offers M.Tech, MBA, BSc, and various other courses. According to media reports, a total of 700 placement offers were made on the first day of IIT Kharagpur Placements 2023-24. Further, more than 19 international offers were received by students during IIT Kharagpur Placements 2023-24. Importantly, 6 offers with package of more than 1 crore Indian rupees per annum were offered during IIT Kharagpur Placements 2023-24. Over 61 companies offered various job roles to students, mainly in finance, banking, analytics, software, core engineering and consulting sectors.